Welcome to the ultimate puppy potty training guide. Let's turn you into a puppy potty pro in record time. First, let's understand your puppy's tiny bladder. It's the key to creating a foolproof potty schedule. Harness the power of crate training. It's your secret weapon for faster results. Master the art of puppy supervision. Become an expert at reading your pup's potty cues. Discover the secret weapons. Consistency and patience. They're your best friends in this journey. Transform your home into a puppy-friendly potty training zone. It's all about setting the stage for success. Explore positive reinforcement techniques. They're the fast track to quicker learning and happier puppies. Learn to troubleshoot common challenges with ease. You've got this, and we've got your back. Remember to celebrate milestones and track progress. Every little victory is a step towards potty perfection. For more expert tips and support, click the link in the description. Let's make potty training a breeze.